Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amaris. If you're returning, I love you. Welcome to my hair tutorial using bundles from Wavy Wig. They sent me 3 bundles of 22 inches, and when I tell you the hair is 2T. I'm wearing the raw Burmese wavy hair in 22 inches. It's so long for 22 inches, especially because it's wavy. It's actually extra long. It blends so well with my hair. I've just been crimping it and brushing it out, and it blends seamlessly. The waves are amazing. I literally just put water and a bit of mousse. You don't even really need the mousse. Like, water is enough, and it maintains the wave pattern. It's gorgeous. The quality of the hair is, I have no words. Everything you need is going to be in the description down below. You're going to see me wear this hair a lot. I love it. Running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't need sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. Freedom just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, this is in pages. Not gonna lie. Sorry, I'm faded. I forgot.
Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the vibe. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a vibe, they a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, I would go. All day, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Get it, they coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
Baby, you was lost, slide close, and I'm with you, everything goes. I'm coming with that on my soul. Body down, wrist close, yeah, I'm on the way home. This world concrete, flowers grow. All day, she only doing what she knows. Weekends,
get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything.
I just wanna see you when you wanna see you. I mean, I trust you, I tell you, I won't waste your time, I turn it up just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it up just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Why are you coming for it? But the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put?
This is the curls in its natural state. We just brushed it out. I'm gonna do another tutorial of me styling it, so I'm gonna wet it, diffuse it and style it, but this is just it brushed out. I'm going out right now and I want this like bushy effect. I really love how thick the hair is and it's so curly. Flowy hair really meant, flowy wigs really meant flowy because it's giving Puerto Rican. It is so gorgeous and it's such a cute hairstyle. I just love it. Let me know what you think down below. I'm also going to hopefully try more colours and styles from them because the hair quality is so nice. Like, I am so impressed. Ladies, let me know what you think down below. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye.
Running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never.